What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs, and on this episode I am going to show you guys a cool little trick that I've learned. So have you all ever had this happen where you have a socket and you're trying to use to get your bolt in and your bolt just comes off like that real easy, and you don't know a way to stick it or keep it on, and you have no magnet in the sockets? Well, here is a little trick that can be used to do this coming up. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ryan, and thank you all for showing up. For those of you who guys are new to the channel, like I said, my name's Ryan. For those of you guys who have been here for a long time, thank you so much for returning back. And on this episode, we are going to show you a quick trick on how to keep your bolt stuck to your socket so you can turn it, do it, whatever you need, without worrying about it falling out into the car and being lost. So the first thing that you want to do is take your bolt. Take a bucket of grease, anything that you have, and you put the grease on the head of the bolt. Now, yes, this is going to make your socket a little bit dirty, but I rather have a dirty socket, honestly, than a lost bolt that's hard to find, because sometimes they get lost somewhere that you'll never find it again, and that sucks. So here's the socket, and here is the bolt. And all you do is put that in there, and what happens now is the bolt is being held on by the grease. See? It's going nowhere. So you can put this here, you can turn it down, you can do whatever you want, side to side, all over the place. Oh, it finally came out, but look how much effort that was to get that out. Where'd it fall to? At the end of the day, guys, look, it's not going anywhere, right? It took so much force just to get that out, but there you go. It's not going anywhere. You're okay. You're gonna be okay. You're not gonna lose it anymore, okay? You're not gonna lose it anymore. If only we could do this to all our 10mm sockets, and then we won't lose those as well. But that is a quick tip video that I just came to you guys with for the first time ever. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick video, alright? So if you did, please hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And if you are, well, thank you again for watching. But make sure you hit that like button to boost this video up into the YouTube algorithm so other people can find me, watch me, enjoy me, and get to know me. I'll see you all later for the next one. Peace out.